Children, today is your test of lesson number 2, institutional representative of representation of democracy. So here is the revision video of this lesson. Before doing any test, it's necessary to revise the lesson. So here is a revision video of this lesson, which will help you to get the answers easily. Now look the first one. The whole lesson is based, even not the whole lesson, your book civics is the few of the chapters which are giving in this civics book is based on democracy. So first the question raises, what is the democracy? Democracy is a type of government of the people, to the people, for the people, and by the people, and it is the famous definition of democracy which is given by Abraham Lincoln. Now India is the largest democracy in the world. Okay, so very first important thing is franchisee. What is franchisee? Children, the right of the people to vote and elect their representatives is called franchisee. Franchisee, again, the right of the people to vote. When a person elect his own representative by giving his vote, this is called franchisee. जब कोई भी सिटीजन, कोई भी पर्सन अपना वोट देता है to choose his own candidate, own representative, that is called franchisee. Next is adult franchisee. What is the meaning of adult franchisee? It means that the right to vote should be given to all citizens. Adult franchisee means that the right to vote should be given to all citizens of 18 years age. A person who is of 18 years or more than 18 years is considered an adult, and when a person became adult, he is eligible to give his vote. Okay? Now next is universal adult franchisee. What is universal adult franchisee? This term is used to describe the right to vote irrespective of one's race, gender, belief, wealth, or social status. Children, universal adult franchisee means a person who is of 18 years or a person who is adult is eligible to give the vote, and he will give the vote. It doesn't matter for him that a person is of which caste and creed, he belongs to which community, he belongs to which state, social status, he belongs to what is his gender. It doesn't matter in this universal adult franchisee. The only motive is to give the vote. A person who is of 18 years is eligible to give his vote. उसको इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता that the person belongs to which community or caste or breed, whether he is black or white, whether he is rich or poor, whether he is men or women. The main motive is to give his vote. Children, after this, the question raises how the votes happen and how we elect our own representative. Now, look. The process of electing the representatives of the parliament, state assemblies or local bodies is called elections. Means through elections we elect our own representatives of central government, state assembly or local sectors. Now next is election commission supervises the whole process of election. After this, the question raises who conduct the election, who supervises the whole process of election. Now, children, a commission is set up for the whole process of this election. That commission is known as election commission. Now look, election commission supervises the whole process of elections in India. It includes conduct of elections, preparations of electoral rolls, fixing the date of elections, arranging the counting of votes, and advising the president and governor regarding elections. So this whole process is the work of election commission. Now look children, next is political party. What is political party? An organized body of people who share certain common principles and goals regarding the political system of a country. That is known as political party. Children, during the election time, when a particular person or few of the candidates of a party come to your home to request to give them vote, they belong to a particular political party. ठीक है, and they have their own manifesto, they have their own principles, they have their own goals. And what the agenda? Their agenda is to win the elections, and they promises to fulfill your demands if they win the elections. Now look again. Political party is an organized body of people who share certain common principles and goals regarding the political system of our country. Next is ruling party. But obviously, students, when a particular political party wins with the majority of votes, that party forms a government and rule all over the country. That party is known as the ruling party. Nowadays, which party is a ruling party? BJP is the ruling party of our country, because our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi belongs to that BJP party. So this time BJP party is known as ruling party, which runs the government. Now next is coalition government. Children, when no party gets the required majority vote. Just now I told you, when a political party wins with majority vote, मतलब किसी भी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को अपनी गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करने के लिए वोट्स की मेजॉरिटी चाहिए होती है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वोट चाहिए होते हैं. बट इन केस इफ एनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी डू नॉट गेट द मेजॉरिटी वोट, उनको वोट नहीं मिलता जितना कि एक गवर्नमेंट बनाने के लिए होना चाहिए या इलेक्शंस विन करने के लिए मिलना चाहिए. अगेन, when no party gets the required majority vote, political parties with similar ideologies, तब क्या होता है? Small political party who has similar ideologies means same thinking, same thoughts or same policy. What they do? They join their hands together. They join their hands together and form a coalition government. And this type of government is known as coalition government, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं गठबंधन की सरकार, गठबंधन सरकार. ठीक है, तो here the revision of this lesson is over. The whole lesson is depend on the topic, the statements which I explained you today. ठीक है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा अभी कुछ भी ओल्ड नहीं हुआ है. Everything is fresh, whatever you revised today. ठीक है, आपका सब कुछ रिकॉल हो गया है. नाउ यू मस्ट गेट रेडी फॉर द टेस्ट. एंड वन मोर थिंग, वी टीचर्स आर नॉट देयर, मे बी योर पेरेंट्स विल नॉट बी देयर. सो बी ऑनेस्ट विद योर सेल्फ एंड डू योर टेस्ट विद फुल ऑनेस्टी एंड गिव योर पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स. वी विल ऑल द बेस्ट.